Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up tax benefits of HSA with IRS rules using TurboTax, full guide step by step clearly. To set up tax benefits of your health savings account, or HSA, using TurboTax, begin by ensuring you are enrolled in a high-deductible health plan. Next, log into your TurboTax account or create a new one if you are a first-time user. Choose the Start a New Tax Return option to begin. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, such as your name, address, and filing status. When you reach the section for income, TurboTax will guide you through options related to your W-2 and other income sources. After this, navigate to the section labeled Deductions and Credits. Look for the area that mentions Health Savings Accounts. Select the option to enter HSA contributions. Input the total contributions you made to your HSA during the tax year. Remember to include any contributions made by your employer, if applicable. TurboTax will automatically calculate the allowable deductions based on the contributions made. As you proceed, review the maximum contribution limits set by the IRS to ensure accuracy. If you use the HSA for qualified medical expenses, you will also need to report those. TurboTax will ask for details regarding medical expenses paid with HSA funds. Complete this section with the necessary information about your qualified medical expenses. Once you have entered all your HSA-related information, review the summary provided by TurboTax. Ensure that all entries are accurate, as this will impact your overall tax benefits. After you've confirmed everything is correct, proceed to file your tax return electronically. If you prefer, TurboTax also offers options for printing your return for mailing. Save a copy of your tax return for your records to keep track of your HSA contributions. Lastly, keep your HSA documentation and IRS forms handy in case of future audits or inquiries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.